Yeah, good morning, guys. Today we'll be covering amendment in Finance Act 2020. In that, the first section we'll be covering is section 194C. Very important amendment has come. Listen. This is the amendment which I expect you to copy. Let me read, let me explain, then I'll tell you to copy. Work includes both the TDS will apply, excludes both the TDS will not apply. Work includes, it will be bouncer. Manufacturing and supplying of a product according to the requirement or specification of the customer by using the materials purchased from such customer or an associate of such customer. Excludes manufacturing or supplying a product according to the requirement or specification of a customer by using the material purchased from a person other than such customer or associate of such customer. Clear? Understand this. Understand this. Let us first understand what was Chidambaram's provision. What did he say? Then we'll understand what does our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman did. We'll understand what was the old logic. Please be attentive. I want you to copy this. If you want to copy, you can copy. Suno. There is a tailor. Kya? There is Amazon. Like this. What does it mean like this? A to Z bolto? Anything from A to Z. ICA, CA certificate. Then you said anything A to Z. Goods services nahi rehte. Suno re. They are coming with annual function. Coming with annual function. They approached tailor and they said, we want 2000 t-shirts of Amazon printed on the back of the t-shirt with Amazon logo. Yahan suno yaar. Amazon approached tailor. He said, I want you to stitch 2000 t-shirts of Amazon with Amazon logo. Tailor is asking what should be the size. He said, we are Indians, XXL. We don't have time to take the measurement of 2000 employees, so we will make a standard one. XXL nakko XL. Okay? Now, tailor is asking. Who is asking? Raw material will be cloth. Do you agree? Tailor is asking Amazon, will you give me the cloth or shall I buy from outside market? Clear? Two cases are possible. Case, Amazon gives the cloth to tailor and tailor makes t-shirts. Case 2. Tailor buy from Raymond outside market and make t-shirts. For tailor, who is Amazon? For tailor, Amazon is a customer. Case, we are the tailors in the example. We purchase the material from TDS will apply. If the tailor purchases the raw material from third party other than customer, TDS will not apply. Once again repeat karo. If the tailor purchases from the customer, what he purchases? Raw material. TDS will apply. From third party, TDS will not apply. I will read to what I understood. Be careful now. Work. Manufacturing a product, t-shirt, according to the requirement of customer. Amazon double XL, triple XL by using material, material is cloth, purchased from, stop. Chittambaram's provision was still here. Excludes में आओ. Manufacturing of a product according to the requirement of the customer by using material purchased from a person other than, it was still here. But my Nirmala Sitharaman ji expanded and wrote something nonsense here and here. Now Nirmala Sitharaman said, Ray Taylor, you bought from Raymond. If Amazon and Raymond are related parties, वापिस बोलो, related parties, TDS will apply. What used to happen was, Amazon said to Taylor, I will not give you cloth, but buy from Raymond only. But buy from Raymond because he is my subsidiary company. He is my company. Taylor was forced to buy from Raymond. So Nirmala Sitharaman said, यहाँ देखो अब, if Taylor buys from Amazon, TDS will apply. If Taylor buys from third party is relative of Amazon, TDS will apply. Third party is not relative of Amazon, TDS will not apply. You understood now. अब देखो, अब पढ़ेंगे. Manufacturing, supplying of a product according to the requirement or specification of a customer by using material purchased from the or associate बोले तो relative, which is defined under section 40 capital A subsection BA, which will be covered in PGBP. ये कौन सा कवर है? 40 subsection 2 clause B. ये नहीं है, रुको, 40A, हाँ, 40A subsection 2 clause B. What is the definition? Will be covered in PGBP module. चलो once again I repeat, यहाँ से याद रखो, listen. If Taylor buys from Amazon, louder, TDS applies. Taylor buys from Raymond and Raymond is relative of Amazon, TDS apply. Taylor buys from Raymond and Raymond is not a relative of Amazon, TDS will not apply. Now see this reason for amendment. My analysis. It was being noted that SSEs are using to escape the clause of the section by getting the contract manufacturer to procure the raw material supplied through its related parties. Amazon was forcing the Taylor to buy from Raymond only. As a result, substantial amount of income escapes the tax net. This is taken from the budget pages which was announced by Nirmala Sitharaman on 1st February 2020. वो budget pages में से I have copied this. Extra pages है ये. समझ में आया? Your choice now. ठीक है? अब चुपचाप कॉपी करो ये वाला and 3 examples you will write. You will write these examples and 3 cases. Case 1, सुन लो पहले. Taylor buys from Amazon, TDS will apply. Taylor buys from Raymond and Amazon and Raymond are related parties, TDS will apply. Taylor buys from Raymond, Amazon and Raymond are not related parties, TDS will not apply. अच्छे से लिखना है एग्जाम्पल को, प्लीज सर, एग्जाम्पल को अच्छे से लिखना है. स्टार्ट प्लीज. फर्स्ट द प्रोविजन फॉलोड बाय एग्जाम्पल. हो गया? आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द अमेंडमेंट. या प्लीज, इंपॉर्टेंट अमेंडमेंट है ये. अच्छा, please copy example in your own language, in your own words, but copy it properly. वेट वेट, यहाँ तक हो गया क्या? वन मोर 2 lines you have to copy. यहाँ तक हो गया guys? now copy this also. hello, copy from here to here. Flower bracket open to flower bracket closed. चल, now listen. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute on the screen, on the screen. सुनो, if he buys from Raymond, will TDS apply? Depends whether Amazon and Raymond are relatives or not. Listen, listen, I'm a tailor. या देखो, I buy from Raymond, stitch, give to Amazon. Who will give the bill to Amazon? Tailor. Tailor bill stitching charges 5 lakhs, raw material purchases 6 lakhs. Possible? He will reimburse from that Amazon no re. Stitching charges 5 lakhs, raw material charges 6 lakhs. Total bill amount. Who will pay to whom? Amazon to tailor. TDS will apply on 5 lakhs only. What is 5 lakhs amount? Stitching charges. But government clarified, if tailor gives bills of 11 lakhs without bifurcating, if tailor gives bill of 11 lakhs without bifurcating, Amazon will deduct TDS on 11 lakhs. Read now. The section also provides that in the above case, the TDS will be deducted on the excluding the value of material. Both 11 minus 6, 5. If such value is mentioned separately in the invoice or on the whole. Whole कितना होता? 11 lakhs. If the value of material is not mentioned separately in the invoice. Clarification from CBDT this one. ठीक है? कॉपी करो. समझ में आया ना ये पॉइंट? चलो, चल ठीक है, हेलो ठीक है, चल गाइस कम ऑन यार प्लीज, हो गया तो बोलो जल्दी। ठीक है चल सुनो अब, आई एम सॉरी, डन। चल एग्जाम्पल, example you should copy in your own language, no re, you should copy that in your own language. What should I do in that? already example बोल दिया ना मैं। ओके ऑन द स्क्रीन प्लीज, छोड़ दो ऑन द स्क्रीन। come to TDS table, come to TDS table, now write like this. Those who are watching in YouTube need not do anything, okay. Refer special point number, which one is next one? Refer special point 15, ऐसा लिख लो जल्दी, write like this. ठीक है, स्टार्ट guys. We did this similar to 194J also, we did like this only. check करो 194J के लिए भी ऐसे लिखे थे कुछ तो भी, number might change on the screen. चुपचाप सुनते जाओ अब without doing overaction. Special point 15. We are starting a new section applicable for your examination. 194. Oh! क्या न्यू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अमेंडमेंट न्यू, दिस इज कोत्ता सेक्शन, कोत्ता बोले तो न्यूली इंट्रोड्यूस्ड विथ एफेक्ट फ्रॉम 1/10/2020. ओवर एक्शन वद्दू, प्लीज डू नॉट कॉपी. आई विल गिव यू 20 मिनट्स 15 मिनट्स इफ यू वांट. चुपचाप सुनते जाओ, मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल से पूरा बैकग्राउंड सब कुछ समझा देता हूं. ऑन द स्क्रीन सेक्शन, लाउडर यार, that is payment of certain sum. क्या? Payment of certain sum by e-commerce operator to e-commerce participant. हेडिंग क्या है वापिस बोलो रे? पेमेंट ऑफ सर्टन सम बाय ई-कॉमर्स ऑपरेटर टू ई-कॉमर्स पार्टिसिपेंट. दिस इज फ्रॉम पेज 61 ऑफ योर मॉड्यूल. ओपन करो, it will go till page 66 of your module. Module 1 we are talking about. Shall I read the Bayer Act? बोलो रे. Shall I read the Bayer Act? Yes or no? I will still read. This is the Bayer Act on the screen. Without doing overaction, you will listen. on the screen. Notwithstanding anything to the contrary contained in any provisions of Part B of this chapter, where sale of goods or provision of services of an e-commerce participant is facilitated by e-commerce operator through digital or electronic facilities or platform by whatever name called, such e-commerce operator shall at the time of credit or amount of sales of service or both to the account of e-commerce participant at the time of payment, therefore to such e-commerce participant by any mode which is earlier, deduct income tax at the rate of 1%, 0.75% of the amount is paid or credited during the sum period from 1st October 2020 to 31 March 21 of the gross amount of such sales or services or both. Explanation: for the purpose of this section, any payment made by the purchase of the goods or recipient of the services directly to e-commerce participant for the sale of such goods or provision of service or both facilitated by e-commerce operators shall be deemed to be the amount credited or paid by the e-commerce operator to the e-commerce participant and shall be included in the gross amount of such sale or services for the purpose of deduction of income tax under this section. No deduction under subsection 1 shall be made from any person sum credited or likely to be credited or paid during the previous year to the account of e-commerce participant being individual HUF, where gross amount of such sale or service or both during the previous year does not exceed 5 lakhs and such e-commerce participant has furnished his PAN or Aadhaar to e-commerce operator. ఏం అర్థం కాలేదు. ఒక మాట అర్థమైంది సార్. ఈ-కామర్స్ ఆపరేటర్, ఈ-కామర్స్ పార్టిసిపెంట్. ఆన్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్స్, on your screens, this is my notes which you will not understand, which I have prepared for you guys, which I will give in proper language. I have to do lot of R&D sir to so that I can explain you in a better manner. These are my notes. Pitchy handwriting kada sir? Nade. अब सुनो क्या बोल रहा हूँ. फॉर गॉड सेक सुनते जाओ, प्लीज सुनो. ठीक है, सुनते जाओ. स्लोली करेंगे, स्लोली करेंगे. गिव मी द TDS कॉलम्स. पेज नंबर छोड़ दो, 61 to 66 है. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन नंबर वी रोट 194O. नेक्स्ट नेचर ऑफ पेमेंट इज पेमेंट ऑफ सडन सम बाय ई-कॉमर्स ऑपरेटर टू ई-कॉमर्स पार्टिसिपेंट. नेक्स्ट डिडक्टर. ठीक है, शेल वी स्टार्ट. Deductor on the screen. Electronic commerce operator is the deductor. कौन सर? Electronic commerce operator. You will copy the definition of it from page 61, point number 6. उसमें सब पॉइंट बी चेक करो. इधर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और ई-कॉमर्स ऑपरेटर मीन्स एनी पर्सन हु ओन्स, ऑपरेट्स, मैनेज डिजिटल और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फैसिलिटी और प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉमर्स. इट मीन्स, सुनो रे, ही इज दैट पर्सन हु अलाउ अदर्स to display their products in their website. Who allows others to display their products or services on their website. Example: Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy also is covered. अब से you let us take one example and understand. Which example you want to take? Tell me. We will take that example only. Wasteful only. Amazon example I will take. You apply to Swiggy. I will relate to Swiggy also. First let us take Amazon. ठीक है. I will take my father's example. My father runs a shop in Begum Bazaar in the name of Rohit Plastics. My name, elder brother's name. He is into, name is Vishal, my father's name. He is into chairs and mats. In no way I am advertising his products, so that I can easily relate. I am telling you, for God's sake, what commission astadi, I am least bothered of that. Okay, listen. I सुना रहे, सुनो. He runs his shop in Begum Bazaar. He wants to sell his products through Amazon. What should he do? Please sir, practical समझेंगे. He should go for GST registration. Okay. Compulsory registration under section 24 of CGST Act. He will approach Amazon and request him to display the products. Some photographer will become, he will click the photos and go. Clear? Clear. What is Amazon helping Rohit Plastics? To display and sell the products. Amazon will be called, but the product belongs to whom? Rohit Plastic is e-commerce participant. रोहित प्लास्टिक को क्या बोलते हैं अपन अब? E-commerce participant. Now the first, what do you mean by? Page number 61, point number 6, उसमें सब point C we will copy. क्या होता? Let us read. E-commerce participant means person resident in India selling goods. Goods बोलते chains. Providing Swiggy will, अच्छा Swiggy. If I take Swiggy example, Swiggy will be Minerva Hotel will become e-commerce participant. Any Taj Mahal Hotel, some tiffin centers. पार्क हयात का स्विगी असतात रा विश फेलो. समझ में आ रहा? इट कैन बी गुड्स और सर्विसेस, और बोथ इंक्लूडिंग डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट्स थ्रू डिजिटल और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फैसिलिटी और प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉमर्स. एम आई क्लियर बाबा? यस और नो बोलो रे बस. ठीक, लेट अस स्टार्ट. कौन है? कौन है? They can be resident or non-resident. But this fellow has to be resident. Has to be resident. No second thought about it. I am not telling this. Where is it mentioned resident? Read point C once again. Read this point C once again under point number 6. I am not saying anything. Clear? TDS में two parties are involved. Deductor? Rohit Plastics is deductee. Nothing but e-commerce participant. As of now, my father decided to sell through Amazon. They came for photographs. Products are displayed online, and if someone types shades and mats, his products will be displayed. यहाँ तक story clear? Please यार. Now, what is Amazon helping Rohit Plastics to do? That is called e-commerce. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? E-commerce. Now, what do you mean by e-commerce? Page 61. Point 6a. Read. Supply of goods or services or both, including digital products over digital or electronic network. यहां तक स्टोरी क्लियर? या प्लीज यार यस और नो बोलो बट. ठीक है. नाउ टुडे one fellow, chiller fellow, Vamshi, downloads Amazon app, searches for shades and mats, and orders from Rohit Plastics through Amazon. Story clear? Vamshi buys क्या? Shades from Rohit Plastics Kadra, from Amazon. Vamshi is least bothered who is the seller. Vamshi is only bothered he is buying from Amazon. Clear? अब लॉजिक ये होता, Vamshi will make payment to Amazon through debit card, credit card, cash on delivery, UPI, and nonsense. Amazon will make payment to. When Amazon makes payment to, అప్పుడు టీడీఎస్ అప్లై అవుతుందంట. When buyer makes payment to, no TDS concept, practical impossible. Impossible for TDS. TDS कब आता? When Amazon e-commerce operator makes payment to, who is Rohit Plastic? E-commerce party. Now read the heading. Payment of certain sum by e-commerce operator Amazon to Rohit Plastics. This is just background. Now we will jump into depth. आप yes बोले तो we will jump. यहां तक स्टोरी क्लियर? ओके. Vamshi is the buyer. From today we'll call him buyer. He can be resident or does not matter. बोलतो if a person from United Kingdom is purchasing from Amazon India from Rohit Plastics, TDS will apply. Amazon can be resident or non-resident. Buyer can be resident or non-resident, but the e-commerce participant has to be resident. Story clear? Shall I continue the example? Chal. Pakka? Chal. Vamshi buys chairs for 300 rupees. For 300 rupees. Story clear? चलो अब यहां देखो क्या होता. That Vamshi कौन रे? Pays 300 online to Amazon. Correct? Amazon commission is 20%. Something he should earn, no re? 20% off is equals to 60 rupees. Before 194, oh, Amazon will pay to Rohit Plastics 300 minus 60 to 40. When the section was not into existence. After 194, oh, first point, there is no limit for this section. Louder. No limit for this section. And the TDS rate is 1%. Louder. 1%. But 0.75% if the date is between 14th May to 31st March 21. Important. ठीक है? TDS rate for your exam you have to remember 0.75 only. No second thought about it. Exam के लिए you have to remember 0.75. From which date to which date? 14th May to 31st March. But इसमें Nirmala Sitharaman said, we will not take 14th May, we will take first 10. Because the section came into existence from 1st October. Hello? यहाँ लिखा था ना रे? यहाँ लिखा था ना रे? With effect from 1st October. Limit amount. Limit amount. No limit. And TDS rate 0.75% from October to March. After that it will be 1%. Now क्या होता? Amazon deduct TDS 0.75% 75%. First doubt, on what amount? 600 600 300 or 60 or 240? First doubt क्या था, which Sitaraman clarified in the Bail Act. I'll read the Bail Act once again after I explain. It is, this 300 is called gross amount. क्या amount? It is always on the gross amount. 300 into 0.75%. करो रे, 1 rupee, 3 rupees, 3 rupees का 25, 2.25. चेक करो रे, 2 point. Amazon pay to Rohit Plastics 240 minus 2.25, 237 point. This will be credited to the bank account of Rohit Plastics. This amount will be reflected in 26 AS of Rohit Plastics. This is the scenario. The reason for this amendment is so the department comes to know, louder, how much Rohit Plastics sold from Amazon in a year. Amendment का reason क्या है, वापिस बोलो रे. How much Rohit Plastics sold from Amazon. Second googly, they've clarified. TDS will apply only once for a transaction. ये क्या है, how much commission? Louder. 194H will not apply on this commission, it seems. Before, on commission 194H was applicable. On which amount? On 60 rupees. As a result, if TDS applies on 194, 194 does not apply. Which is overriding which section? Louder ray. This section overrides all other TDS sections. Who is telling this? Read the first sentence. No deviating anything contrary to the contrary in any of the provisions of this chapter. I am not doing any nonsense, sir. जो लिखे सो वही बोल रहा हूं मैं भी. Shall I continue? अब सुनो. I'll read the first point. Then we will jump into deep. सुनते जाओ. ये सुनो रे. चलो. Let us read. Where sale or goods or provision of services of an e-commerce participant is facilitated by through digital or electronic facility or platform, such e-commerce operator, who is deductor? Amazon. Who is deductee? Who will deduct TDS? Amazon. Amazon is ECO. Such ECO shall at the time of credit of amount or sale of services or at the time of payment, whichever is earlier, deduct income tax at the rate of, technically rate is 1%, but for your examination we will take 0.75% or services or both. यहां तक स्टोरी क्लियर. हेलो पक्का? नाउ सर्टेन क्लैरिफिकेशंस हैव. नाउ लिसन. तो क्या होता, वापिस बोलो. दिस एग्जाम्पल इज क्लियर. सो व्हेन विल TDS अप्लाई? If these 4 conditions are satisfied, TDS will apply, it seems. There is a sale of goods or provision of services. Rohit Plastic is selling mats, shades. Such sale is of an e-commerce participant. Such sale is facilitated by e-commerce operator. Such facilitation is through digital or electronic facility or platform of e-commerce operator. Am I clear till here? If these 4 conditions are, then 194O will apply. TDS rate 1%. TDS rate, limit amount, no limit. And remember, on the commission, no other sections of TDS will apply. Like income tax, we have to pay tax only once on income. TDS also once per transaction. Googly, क्या? Googly. Rohit Plastics is giving lot of business to Amazon. Assume करो. Clear? Listen. Sorry. Assuming Rohit Plastics is giving lot of business to Amazon and Vamshi buys from Amazon whose products? Payment is directly made to Rohit Plastics bank account. That option also Amazon gives if you are a good customer of Amazon. Two options you have. Vamshi will pay directly to Amazon. Vamshi does not know who is receiving the amount. Vamshi will just make the payment and get lost. He is not bothered whether the amount is went to Amazon or Rohit Plastics. Now reporter asked to Sitaraman, what if when Vamshi makes payment of 300 and payment goes to Rohit Plastics, will this section apply? Will the section apply? Sitaraman said this section will apply. It is immaterial whether the amount is received by Amazon or Rohit Plastics, this section will apply. Who is saying this? See the explanation given now. यहाँ पे. For the purpose of this subsection, any payment made by purchaser ante Vamshi directly to e-commerce operator, directly to Rohit Plastics, for the sale of goods or both, shall be deemed to be the amount credited or paid by e-commerce operator to e-commerce participant and shall be included in the gross amount of such sale or service for the purpose of deduction of income tax under this section. इसका मतलब होता, सुनो, whether payment is made by Vamshi to Amazon, Vamshi to Rohit Plastics. If payment is made by Vamshi to Rohit Plastics, it will be assumed that payment is received by Amazon and TDS will apply. TDS will apply. I am not saying this, sir. यहां तक क्लियर? सो क्या लिख सकते हैं यहां पे? क्या लिख सकते हैं? TDS will apply whether payment is received by Amazon or payment is received by Rohit Plastics. E-commerce operator, e-commerce participant. Am I clear with this? Yes or no? Next. Which section? TDS under 194O applies. You have to copy the 4 conditions which we read just now. Page 63.1. Check karo. Page 63.1 check karo re. Abhi to padha na wo 4 points. That is A, B, C, D. 194O. 194O not applies. अब यहां देखो. Let me read this. No deduction under subsection 1 shall be made from any sum credited or paid or likely to be credited or paid in the year on account of e-commerce participant being an individual or HUF, where the gross amount of such sale or service or both during the year does not exceed 5 lakhs and such e-commerce participant has furnished PAN or Aadhaar to e-commerce operator. Government clarified. Ray Amazon, don't deduct TDS. First paragraph में they are saying deduct. Second में they are saying if. हाँ. Louder. E-commerce participant is an individual. In my example, my father is an individual. Number 2, his turnover from Amazon is less than 5 lakhs. वापिस बोलो. His turnover only from Amazon is less than, and my father has given his PAN or Aadhaar to Amazon. If these 3, no TDS. But commission will come, waste fellows. What will come? Commission, and 194H also will come then. Because 194 is not coming. What are 3 conditions? Individual or HUF, turnover less than 5 lakhs, he has given his PAN or Aadhaar to e-commerce operator. समझ में आया? Read point number 3, page 63. You will copy ABC. पढ़ो क्या है वो? First one, e-commerce participant is an individual or HUF. The gross amount during the period does not exceed 5 lakhs. E-commerce operator has furnished his PAN or Aadhaar to e-commerce operator. Am I clear till here? अब समझ में आ रहा बेरैक का लैंग्वेज? यस बोलो, नो बोलो, कुछ तो बोलो रे. यस और नो, प्लीज बोलो यार. ठीक है. ऑन दिस कमीशन, no TDS. If 194O applies, no other TDS section applies. If 194O does not apply, TDS on commission will apply. Shall I continue more in depth now? यहां तक स्टोरी समझ में? यस और नो बोलो रे बस, और कुछ भी नहीं. यस और नो, यस और नो. Next, listen. My father, कौन रे? Has his own website and selling the products online. Possible? This section will not apply. This section will apply only if he sells the products from others website. If he is doing from own website, this section will not apply. अब इसके बाद थोड़ा और पॉइंट्स कवर कर लेंगे. पहले लिख लेंगे एक बार. yes or no. Wherever points are given, you have to copy. There is no other option you have. Start please. Sir, you have to give me extra time today, at least for 15-20 minutes, because I cannot do this half part today and tomorrow. I can't help it. Whatever I have read, I have studied, did the background, I am explaining you. Sorry, sir. ठीक. हो गया? क्या हुआ? अभी तक नहीं हुआ? कितना स्मॉल डायग्राम तो है ना रे। हाँ, क्या रे? పాయింట్స్ क्या పాయింట్స్? तो నేనేం చేయాలి? డ్యాన్స్ చేయాలా? ठीक है, on the screen, on the screen. So in that you have to write the definition of ECO, definition of e-commerce participant. Correct no re? ECO, e-commerce participant. Okay, two definitions only no वो पेज पे. अच्छा, and also the definition of service I guess. अच्छा, definition of e-commerce, definition of e-commerce, definition of e-commerce participant, definition of e-commerce operator. Shall I continue? On the screen, please थोड़ा जल्दी करो please. On the screen, सुनो सुनो, next point, bullet बोलते next point रे, पढ़ो. Sorry, read. TDS under applies. You have to copy those 4 conditions. ठीक है, सुनो सुनो. TDS 3 conditions चेक कर लो. उसके लिए ऐसा लिखना, वो 3 पॉइंट्स के लिए ऐसा ABC को. सुनो, TDS point B, if e-commerce participant is, this section will not apply. Next, if e-commerce participant sells goods or services from it, then also this chapter, this section will not arise. Stop. TDS will apply if the payment is directly credited to Amazon or to Rohit Plastics. ये क्या है? चेक करो which point. Point 5E, you have to copy from page 63. यहाँ तक clear? You have to copy here 1, 2 and 3. पक्का clear? स्टार्ट करो, स्टार्ट करो, स्टार्ट करो. Sir, notes should be perfectly given to you guys. No compromise on the notes here, please. आप नोट्स में कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना है अपने को. स्टार्ट करूं? ठीक है, स्टार्ट करूं? इतना क्या लिख रहे रे? हाँ, चलो सर प्लीज़ थोड़ा जल्दी, आई हैव सर्टन ऑफिस वर्क ऑल्सो प्लीज़. चलो listen, check. Now listen, they have once again made some nonsense clarifications. ये क्या लिखे? TDS, सॉरी यार, हाँ TDS 3 points you wrote. No, if e-commerce is an individual, HUF turnover less than 5 lakhs, furnished PAN or Aadhaar. यहाँ लिखो arrow mark somewhere and write it has been clarified that, continue, arrow mark down somewhere and write it has been clarified that TDS will apply in the following cases. TDS will apply in following cases even if e-commerce participant is an individual or HUF and turnover is less than 5 lakhs. General rule, TDS will not apply. This is special rule. Under that point A, amount received by ECO for hosting advertisements or, second point, amount received for any services other than covered under 194O. Other than covered under 194O. Okay. But in these two cases, we don't check the limit and all. TDS will apply if it's advertisement and not sale of services. ये लिख लिए, ये लिखना है क्या? You want to copy this? Yes or no बोलो, but start करो. TDS rate बोलो 1%, but for our exam purpose it is 0.75%. Okay. Listen, commission कितना? Who is paying to whom? How? Who is paying to whom that commission? Rohit Plastics will pay to Amazon. On that TDS will not apply. Who is making the payment? Commission re Rohit Plastics, he becomes the deductor. Amazon becomes the deductee, but TDS will not apply on that. Okay. Shall I confuse? I can confuse to the hell, because if I set a question paper, this section with equalization levy I will ask. Listen, how will I confuse? पहले लिख लो पूरा. I'll explain. I'll tell. Let us complete this first. Sir, after the completion of the batch, I'll be taking Xerox of one of the best handwriting notes, completed notes. So boys are ineligible because I did beautiful handwriting. How many students' notes are 100% complete as on today? Raise your hand. హ్యాండ్ చాలా సూపర్ ఉంటుంది అందుకే చల్ ठीक है guys, it's already 9:35. I require more 20 minutes, please sir, जल्दी करो. 9:45 9:35 रे. चलो listen, limit amount. So let us understand the concept again. Section number, nature of payment, payment made by ECO to EP, deductor, louder रे, ECO, deductee, ECP, limit amount, no limit amount, rate of TDS 1%, but for our exam 0.75. ठीक है. On the screen, time of, at the time of credit in or time of payment, which is lower కాదు, whichever is, बोले तो Vamshi purchase in the month of January, correct? Amazon is paying to Rohit Plastics in February. Jan or Feb, whichever is January, our TDS should be deposited by 7th February. The TDS should be deposited by 7th February. Stop. Pado. Resident or EP can't be non-resident. Buyer, resident or non-resident. ECO should have TAN. Rohit Plastics should have PAN, and it is a duty of Rohit Plastics to give the PAN to Amazon. If it does not give 20%, 20%. So no, if e-commerce participant do not give PAN to ECO, TDS is 1 or 0.75, whatever is the rate, or Sita Raman clarified, will not take 20, will take 5%, whichever is higher. It's not 1 or 7.5 or 5. इसमें से एक rate लगता है, waste fellows. Out of this, only one rate will apply, or 5%, whichever is higher. Next, if 194O, no other TDS section applies. This first rule you have to understand, because this is overriding all other provisions of the TDS chapter. This overview clear? We have 8 examples now to cover. ठीक है, today only sir, not tomorrow concept. ये कॉपी कर लो पहले. समझ में आया ना ये सब? आई एम सॉरी, पहले ये करो, देन विल गो टू नेक्स्ट पेज. नो रे, अच्छा पहले ये कॉपी करना है, कर लो रे भाई, क्या है उसमें, कुछ भी कॉपी करना है, करो कॉपी. Now if you go home and read the Bayer Act, God promise 25 to 30% pakka you will understand. Before it was 0%. Now at least 25 to 30 pakka you will understand. ठीक है, ये स्मॉल पॉइंट्स है ना रे. Copy this. Sure. Copy this. I'll be uploading this video on YouTube as well today only, or today or tomorrow, time permits. One day before exam, or when you do revise, you want to revise this once again, it will be available. This is special point number 15. Still lot of TDS sections we have to cover. Lot until lot. You know, under 192A, if the pan is not given, it is MMR, maximum marginal rate. Remember all this. ये सब एग्जाम में पूछ सकता. 42 point some percent, 744 I guess, if I remember. ठीक है, नहीं हुआ? चलो, on the screen, refer. आ जाओ. It will take 5 minutes. We wind up the session. 64 example 1. Jaldi. Everyone on the screen. Answer you will go home and read. I will only discuss. Samsung India Limited has sold 1,000 television sets at 50,000 each through Reliance Digital on 1/12/20. Stop. Let us first understand who is ECO. Reliance Digital is ECO. Who is Samsung India Private Limited? Electronic e-commerce participant. Amount how much? 5 crores. TDS rate रे पागल 0.75. Commission how much? 10%. Wants to remit 4.5 crores. Advice. Who will make payment to whom? Reliance. When you make payment to Samsung, you should deduct TDS at the rate of 0.75% on 5 crores. On the commission of 10%, TDS will not apply. Read the answer. ठीक है. Who is e-commerce operator in the first example? Samsung India. Reliance Digital. Who is e-commerce operator in first example? Second example. Suppose in question 1, all facts remaining the same. Instead of Samsung India, it was Samsung Japan. That is, e-commerce participant is a non-resident. This section only will not apply. Check the answer. ठीक है. Third one, listen. In first example, who is ECO? What if he is non-resident? Will TDS apply? Check third example. Now listen, before reading third example, यहाँ सुनो अब, यहाँ important है, यहाँ सुनो. Leave this, I'll take my example. Rohit Plastic selling through Amazon. Selling through Alibaba. Rohit Plastics is selling through Alibaba. Will TDS apply? Yes. When Alibaba makes payment to Rohit Plastics, TDS at the rate of 0.75% will apply. Alibaba has to pay equalization levy at the rate of 2%. बाबा प्लीज यार, ये सब में पढ़ा लिया आप लोग को. Who has to pay 2%? Alibaba. If the turnover of Alibaba more than 2 crores. ये सब पढ़ाया था ना सर. 165 कैपिटल ए, 166 कैपिटल ए नॉनसेंस में. And the payment has to be made quarterly. Equalization levy. Equalization levy will apply in two cases. 6% for advertisement, 2%. The 2% has to be paid from own pocket. समझ में आया? हो गया थर्ड एग्जाम्पल. फोर्थ एग्जाम्पल में आओ. स्टॉप. स्टॉप. The buyer is resident or non-resident. Does it matter? फोर्थ एग्जाम्पल पढ़ो. On the screen, example: A resident manufactured perfume sells through Flipkart. Flipkart is ECO, A is e-commerce participant. The total sales made by A is 5 lakhs during the year. If 3 conditions are satisfied, TDS will not apply. Participant is an individual HUF. Yes. Does not exceed, it is not exceeding, and we assume that Mr. A has given his PAN kaadu, PAN or Aadhaar, then TDS will not apply. Check the answer. ठीक है. On the screen, will your answer be in question number 5? If ABC partnership was there instead of Mr. A, Mr. A is e-commerce participant, instead of A it is partnership firm, that exception will not apply. Exception will apply only if the participant is HUF. TDS will apply if it's a partnership firm और कंपनी और एओपी और बीओआई और लोकल अथॉरिटी और एजेपी. वो टीडीएस अप्लाई नहीं होता. किसको अप्लाई नहीं होता? ओनली टू इंडिविजुअल एंड एचयूएफ. चेक द आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. यस और नो रे? ओके. Will TDS apply if the payment is directly received by Rohit Plastics, received by Amazon? Does not matter who is receiving the payment, TDS will apply. Example number 7. Sir, इससे ज्यादा तो निर्मला सीतारामन also will not know now. Promise. Example 8 you go through at home. That's okay. Whatever it is, that's fine. Clear. This covers a very important amended new sections introduced by Finance Act 2020 called 194. Oh, more new sections will be coming up very soon in the next sessions. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.